Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern, so beautiful. It is adorable pattern for cardigan, shawl, blouse, can make baby blanket. It's so pretty pattern. I hope you're gonna love this pattern. It's also easy. Everyone can make this pattern. So I hope you will enjoy this pattern. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. So viewers, let's start. One, two, three. So this pattern multiple 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So I made, you can with this pattern, you can make blouse, baby blanket, cardigan, shawl, lots of things you can make. So you can make 63. If you want to make blouse, that's depend on the just multiple 3 plus 1. So I have 33. I'm gonna make plus 1 to make in second. I'm gonna make in second chain single crochet. So if you want to make, you can make in the back this back bone. So I would like to make like this. So I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end. So viewers, I am at the end. So chain 1. So for this pattern I'm gonna make, you can't make 1, but I'm gonna make 2 single crochet row. So you should have 23. Okay, I made, sorry, 23, 33. So I made 33, then I plus 1. So you should have single crochet 33. Viewers, I have 1 stitch left. So single crochet. So I have 2 rows with single crochet. So make chain 1. So yarn over the very first stitch, same stitch, make double crochet. This you can put marker in this chain 1 not comfortable, yarn over next stitch. I'm gonna make double crochet. So I have 2 double crochet, yarn over 1, 2, skip 2, and third make fan, chain 1, same stitch, chain 1, same stitch, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 4. So 4 double crochet, yarn over 1, 2, in third make 1 double crochet, yarn over, skip to 1, 2, in third again make this same pattern, this one. So chain 1, make more 1 double crochet, chain 1, make more double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, 1 2 in third. So 1 2 in third. So total you can say multiple 3 or you can say multiple 6. So chain 1, chain 1, 1 2, skip 2 and third, make double crochet, again skip 2, make in third, so this pattern will go in one row. So always you have to repeat, skip 2 in third, 1 double crochet, skip 2 in third, make and chain 1, chain 1. So I have total 4 stitch left. Gonna skip 2 in third, make double crochet, then last one make in last stitch double crochet. So you can see it's so pretty pattern. I hope you gonna love this pattern. So let's start chain 1. So same process, yarn over, very first stitch, make double crochet, yarn over in second, top of the second, so like this, yarn over. I'm not gonna make these two in the middle of the 4, to this side, always make the chain 1 more, chain 1 more, chain 1. So top of this double crochet, 1 2 in the middle of them, chain 1, chain 1, chain 1. So 4. Next top of this double crochet, those double crochet again in the middle, 1 2 and in the gap middle of. So let me make loose my yarn. So chain 1, so continue like this, chain 1, chain 1, top of this, sorry I missed one, chain 1, chain 1, Very pretty pattern this. I hope you will love this pattern. Top of this, just continue like this your project. In the middle, to this side always. Chain 1, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, so yarn over, top of this, double crochet, then top of the next double crochet. Nothing to do this chain 1, first one, which always I'm making. Chain 1, so it's pretty good pattern. I hope you will love this pattern. So I'm gonna continue like this your project until the end, whatever you want to make. So continue like this, nothing, just in one row will go. Just I made chain 1 again, very first stitch. So here, then top of the next. So in the middle of these two, always like this, chain 1, chain 1, top of this, always one this double crochet, top of this one double crochet. So again in the middle here, chain 1. So viewers, I'm gonna continue like this. I hope you will love this pattern. So I'll show you at the end. Okay. So viewers, my swatch is finished. I'm gonna stop here. You can see how pretty is it. I hope you're gonna love this pattern. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share and give me nice compliment. Thanks for watching.